If you wish to see the analytics of your past trades or want to bulk import a lot of your historical trades and start journaling from today, you can use the upload trades feature of us that you can get from over here, or you can go to the journal section and then hit the upload trades button. Both of them lead to the same place where you have to choose your trade book, which you will get from your broker. You have to download the file from your broker. So here we are using Dhan's trade history, and then you have to choose your broker. Make sure you are choosing the right broker for the right trade history. And if you have not added your broker, you will not be able to upload your trades. So make sure you have added your broker from the broker account section. All right. So we go back over here. We choose the file from our local system. We choose the broker. And if you wish to add the strategy and tags for all the trades that you have taken, you can simply add over here and then select this checkbox and click on upload trades. It will quickly upload all your trades. You can see 52 trades have been imported with 100% success. You'll see the trades logged over here, and based on these trades you'll also see the analytics. You can see there was already an existing trade and 52 were imported. Now there are 53 trades, and there you can see the performance from those logs over here. You can also see it in the dashboard. Those trades were for February. So you'll see the details over here. You'll see the daily PNL and all these details on the dashboard. So that is how you can use the import feature to upload your historical trades. Thanks for watching.